Unveiling the truth making money online in 2025. Is making money online really as easy as people claim? With so many get-rich-quick schemes out there, it's hard to separate fact from fiction. You see, everyone wants to be rich, but nobody wants to put in the work. They see these ads, these gurus on Instagram, flashing Lamborghinis and stacks of cash, promising the world. But the truth is, building real, sustainable income online takes effort, strategy, and yes, even a little bit of patience. Today, we're uncovering the real truth behind making money online. We're diving deep into proven strategies, debunking common myths, and giving you the tools you need to build a thriving online income in 2025 and beyond. Forget the Lambos and private jets for a second. This is about creating financial freedom for yourself on your own terms. So, if you're ready to cut through the noise and discover what it really takes to make money online, you're in the right place. Let's get started. One of the best ways to make money online is by building passive income streams. Now, I'm not talking about getting rich overnight doing nothing. That's simply not realistic. But what if you could create something once, like an online course, an ebook, or even software, and earn money from it over and over again? That's the power of passive income. Take affiliate marketing, for example. You recommend products, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's like referring a friend to a great restaurant, or selling digital products like courses, ebooks, or stock photos. Once created, the selling process can be automated. Build the foundation, and you can start earning on autopilot, creating financial freedom. Look, the traditional 9-to-5 office job isn't for everyone, and with the rise of remote work, it's no longer the only option. In 2025 and beyond, freelancing is booming, offering incredible opportunities to make money online from anywhere in the world. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal connect businesses and individuals with talented freelancers across a wide range of skills. Whether you're a wordsmith, a coding whiz, a design guru, a marketing mastermind, or a virtual assistant extraordinaire, there's a market for your skills online. The key to success in the freelancing world is twofold: building a solid portfolio and marketing yourself effectively. Your portfolio is your online resume, showcasing your skills and experience to potential clients. Make sure it's polished, professional, and highlights your best work. Marketing yourself as a freelancer is all about positioning yourself as an expert in your niche. Create a strong online presence, network with potential clients, and highlight the unique value you bring to the table. Remember, freelancing is all about building relationships. Provide exceptional service, communicate effectively, and go above and beyond for your clients, and you'll build a reputation that keeps them coming back for more. And who knows, that freelance gig could even turn into a full-time remote position down the line. E-commerce is a powerhouse in the online world, and it's only getting bigger. And the best part? You don't need a warehouse full of inventory to get started. Dropshipping has changed the game, allowing you to sell products online without ever handling the inventory yourself. Here's how it works. You create an online store, list products from a dropshipping supplier, and when someone places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. It's a low-risk, low-cost way to get started in the world of e-commerce. Another option is print on demand, where you sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. The designs are printed onto the products only after an order is placed, eliminating the need for upfront inventory. If you're crafty, selling handmade products on platforms like Etsy can be a great way to turn your passion into profit. From jewelry and candles to art and home decor, there's a market for unique handcrafted goods online. The key to success in e-commerce? Researching trending products, finding a reliable supplier, and providing exceptional customer service. Remember, competition is fierce online, so focus on building a strong brand, offering high-quality products, and creating a seamless customer experience. Chapter 4. Investing used to be reserved for Wall Street hotshots, but not anymore. Online investing has never been more accessible, opening up a world of opportunity for anyone looking to grow their wealth. From stocks and bonds to mutual funds and ETFs, there are countless ways to invest your money and potentially watch it grow over time. And then, there's cryptocurrency, a digital currency that's been making headlines and turning heads. While investing in crypto can be volatile and comes with risks, it also offers the potential for significant returns. But remember, investing, whether in stocks or crypto, is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes research, patience, and a solid understanding of the market to make informed decisions. Don't fall for those get-rich-quick schemes promising overnight riches. Building wealth through investing takes time, discipline, and a long-term mindset. Start small, diversify your portfolio, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, the stock market and the crypto market are unpredictable, and there are no guaranteed returns. But with the right knowledge and approach, investing can be a powerful tool for building long-term wealth. Think social media is just for scrolling and liking pictures? Think again. In 2025, it's a powerful platform for making money online. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram offer incredible opportunities to turn your passion for content creation into a profitable business. Whether you're a natural in front of the camera, a gifted storyteller, or a master of short, engaging videos, there's an audience out there waiting to connect with your content. But here's the thing. Building a successful social media presence takes more than just posting selfies and funny memes. It's about providing value to your audience, whether it's through entertainment, education, or inspiration. Find your niche, create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience, and be consistent with your posting schedule. Consistency is key. Don't expect to go viral overnight. Building a loyal following takes time and effort. Once you've built a substantial following, you can monetize your content through a variety of avenues, such as advertising revenue, brand deals and sponsorships, and even selling your own products or services. Remember, authenticity is key. Partner with brands you believe in and products you actually use, and your audience will be more likely to convert. Are you an expert in your field? Do you have valuable knowledge and skills that others would pay to learn? If so, online coaching or consulting could be your ticket to a thriving online business. People are always looking for guidance, whether it's in their personal or professional lives, and they're willing to pay for expertise. The best part? You don't need a fancy office or a team of employees to get started. All you really need is a laptop and an internet connection. You can offer your coaching or consulting services through one-on-one video calls, group webinars, online courses, or even a membership site. The key to success in online coaching and consulting? Positioning yourself as an authority in your niche. Build a strong online presence, share your expertise through valuable content, and collect testimonials from satisfied clients. Remember, people buy from people they know, like, and trust. So, what are you passionate about? What problems can you help people solve? Identify your niche, package your knowledge, and start building your online coaching or consulting business today. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: online scams. The truth is, not every online money-making opportunity is legitimate. In fact, there are plenty of shady characters out there preying on people's desire to make easy money online. You'll see them everywhere, promising the world, get rich quick with no effort, make thousands of dollars overnight, work from anywhere, anytime, and be your own boss. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. These scams often involve pyramid schemes, multi-level marketing programs where you're pressured to recruit others, or outright fraudulent investment opportunities. The best way to protect yourself? Do your research, read reviews, check out the company's background, and be wary of anything that promises unrealistic returns or requires a large upfront investment. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. There are plenty of legitimate ways to make money online, so don't waste your time and money on get-rich-quick schemes that will likely leave you empty-handed and frustrated. And there you have it, the real truth about making money online. There's no magic formula, no secret button to push that will instantly make you rich. But with effort, strategy, patience, and a willingness to learn and adapt, you can build a thriving online income in 2025 and beyond. Which method are you most excited to try? Dropshipping your dream product, launching that online course you've been dreaming of, building a loyal following on TikTok? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, the journey to online income success isn't always easy, but it's definitely worth it. So take action, stay persistent, and never stop learning. The world of online income is vast and full of opportunity. Now go out there and make it happen, and there you have it, the real truth about making money online. There's no magic formula, but with effort, strategy, and patience, you can build a thriving online income. Which method are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more money-making tips. See you in the next video. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. Mark Twain.